there's school at fast. Oh no, there's a mess in school. I'm gonna go find a different school. Oh, I just remembered I'm bigger than those people. Now I'm not used anymore. This seems like a nice school. Not much things to do here, but that's okay. Here we go somewhere. I hate that school. Let's go. I don't want. Okay. Take that snow. Let's see. No, that won't fit. I thought it would, but no. Say bye. Bye.